bingo, bingo. All right, start over. Let's start. Where do we start, guys? Monthly. And look at that, man. Trading View. I'm doing the trial pro, and really looks nice. I got my favorites here. My brush. Whew. What else I have? My lines. I love the lines. Little arrows. My little horizontal trend lines, break lines. And what? Oh, look at that eraser. Duh. I don't have to right click anymore, guys. This is so awesome. Click, click. And erased. Cool, right? I have all these templates. I have my monthly charts. And then I have my NASDAQ, SPX, TSX, Venture. All that does is it keeps it on the weekly with my volume, with my Ichimoku Cloud, my 30-week MA. And it just changes here the settings of the Mansfield Relative Strength Indicator. So if I know my stock is on the NASDAQ, I'm going to choose SPX as the underlining. It's just going to load it up here. And what's kind of cool is you could see the performance of that stock versus its index it's in. But also if you want to see against another index, you see how it's performing. And you see if the line goes even higher, further away from the zero line, then you know by inference that the SPX is stronger than the Venture, guys. All right, monthly. Click, click, monthly. I deactivated everything. Why? Because you just got to do it old school, guys. Old school. And yeah, what are we doing? ENV, guys. Envestnet Inc. on the New York Stock Exchange. And that is from Pete, from stageanalysis.net, from the US Stock Screeners, from ISA Traders. And Pete, PC, ABC, just highlighted that and thinks it's worth a look. And I just took a quick glance and I said, yeah, this one has potential. All right, let's do it. Smooth, move. Whoa. Smooth chart. All right, here we go. Squiggly line. Horizontal. Monthly defined. Resistance. Breakout line. Here's the closer one. Remember, patterns within patterns. So what do we have here? Whoa, this line, if you drag it out all the way here. Here we are. What I want to do is, I'm going to bring that in the middle just a little bit. Remember that black space? Just to think clearly. Use your imagination. Your imagination is going to help you find different observations. It's going to help you think out of the box, take a step back, and you might see things in a different way, clearer. Right now, it seems to be breaking out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 month top pattern target. It's almost reaching that target right now, guys. What are we, last week of July? We're going to start, we have 1 week left. It's almost reached that target. But what we want is this going to indicate us the trend? Are we going upwards on the higher prevailing trend? And that's what's important to us. And right now, you could even say for those greedier in you, here's a further away target. Guys, man, that is so far away. Dum. That's never going to happen. Wow, look at that target. Bam. Launching pattern. Patterns, sharing breakout lines with bigger patterns. And see, it's all great. Oh, see, it looks so high, but it's all perspective, right? You could squish it, skew it. So don't limit yourself. Just limit yourself to the structure, the way it's structured, the chart. I trust breakouts like this, which have lots of tests on the horizontal line. Then let's say we just went down here and then just skyrocketed out here. So it goes out here in a parabolic way, parabolic advance, without multiple retests of that previous high. I trust less than a breakout where there's multiple tests, multiple retests of a breakout line, and that goes up in a way that's not parabolic, guys. I trust this way more as a solid resistance, supply, demand, resolved, and the market saying, okay, at that price, supply has vanished or cleared up, and demand has decided to increase, and then you have to go see if there's where the seller's at higher up. You want to see the crazy thing? Whoa, look at that, another crazy target. This is what I call the most greedy of targets. And I used to just see these guys. I used to see a pattern, and I take that big one here. I say, look at that. This is my bottom pattern. And I put my sell stop here. Sometimes I'd get it. Oftentimes, either if it doesn't go straight up, it pulls back, and then you lose patience, you lose time. And after that, you pull the trigger, and then it goes up to it. Or sometimes there's just too much resistance along the way. It doesn't come back. So right now is you build off these. You could take these as targets. When you reach your targets, you could anticipate maybe potential resistance, pullbacks towards your breakout line, move up, and then you get closer and closer to these crazy targets. Because on these classic chart patterns, it's not going to go up in a straight line. You're gonna have sideways move, goes up, sideways move, consolidation patterns. And when you're having a consolidation pattern, you always have a chance of the price action going back down, even if the trend's in your favor. Odds are it should keep going up, but it's an opportunity for the market to say, hey, finally we're consolidating. Yeah, we're going to bring you down. And then you go to retest, previous resistance, turn support, etc. But right now it's looking good, guys. If there's a close above this 57 line, 57.50, you have all these targets, right? This one reached. Another one here. Looks like the Daltons, guys. Lucky Luke, the whole family's there. All right. That's how I see it for the monthly, guys. So that's good. Very, very constructive uptrend. Should be in line with this. Going to look probably like a stage 2 continuation on the weekly, guys. SPX, Stan Weinstein, weekly setup. Whoop. Stage 2, sideways move. Look at that. I'm going to remove all. Let's start fresh. Move all drawing tools. What do we have here? We had a breakout right here back in the days. Clear cut. Look at that, how nice that is. Horizontal breakout line. What do we need for triple confirmation? Above 30-week moving average. Above the 30-week moving average. Above a horizontal breakout line. We added the above Ichimoku cloud. Double the volume of the previous 4 or 5 weeks. 30-week average going upwards. Above the 0 line on the Mansfield, outperforming the index you're in. Guys, this is triple confirmation all the way. So what happened after that? One, 2, 3. Couldn't make a case right here that he had a trendline violation. One, 2, 3, right here. I really trust these trendline violations, guys. Have a reposition out here, dabbling below the 30-week moving average. You get the close below, but you should have exited here. These are warning signs. When you get this price action here, you should look at the charts. Did I not draw my trend line correctly? Did I have an exit point? Because remember, price action goes up, down. Price action starts going back up towards previous highs. You move your sell stop below here for traders way. Investors below that lull, below 30-week average. Price action goes up, down. You could have done it here the same way. Price action goes up, down, and you could have got triggered right here. The trader's way. And investors, you might not have got triggered, but usually when you get towards the end of a run or trend line violation, there should be clues that the investor's way should exit as a trader. So you would have started here, profit limit here, got out here. And it's okay, guys. The price, you can say, hey, Pat, the price action went up. You made me get out of it too early. Well, this was reason enough to get out. So never be scared. Never say, I'm going to miss out on the run. The way it's built, the system, is if there's a continuation breakout, your exit right here. Okay, guys? Price action goes down here, where you're at risk of even going further, stagnating for a while. And if it decides to go up, well, look, you have a nice horizontal breakout line, and you could get back on the horse here on this continuation breakout. Doesn't quite have the volume of the previous 4 weeks, not at all. Not a super duper good sign, guys. So not even here, you would have said, not A++, because you don't have the volume confirmation, not triple confirmation, and price action goes up. Even if it goes up, guys, just this much, don't worry about it. Not the end of the world. Look at that red candle. Not nice. Not nice. So that means system. It means that the just sideways move, guys. Sideways move, correction, maybe reversal. The reversal, the 30-week average is going to tell you when it's a reversal. The Ichimoku cloud is going to tell you when it's a reversal when you go through it, when the 30-week average starts going down. A reversal when you're below the zero line, Mansfield indicator, underperforming the index you're in, another sign. Let those signs tell you. Everything's in place to give you the clues when to get out. When it's risky, you want to get out. And when it's less risky, you want to get in. Less risky, triple confirmation. Less risky. Here, risky. Trend line violations, 30 coming dabbling with the 30-week moving average. Like I said, could keep going up, but these are weak, guys. You're sticking all this time for the market to maybe continue breakout. You should be this time you could have spent your 1% risk. You could have spent it in another stock that's exploding with a triple confirmation. That's the logic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 4, 5 months. So 3, 4, 5 months, you would have put that risk here out of the stock here. Could have found another stock with triple confirmation, and you could have had another run instead of just stagnating here, eroding your emotion capital. Not good, guys. Not good. All right. Trust that Stan's system is going to get you most of the run. And if there's a continuation breakout, it'll get you back in. Or else there's tons of other stocks with this triple confirmation. Look for that. Not for this. Exit. In. All right. So where we are today, guys. We saw in the monthly that we're starting to break out above that big pattern. Right now, this seems to have resolved. All right, let's do my thing. Let's highlight. Breakout candle, check. Ooh, where's my volume? What? Okay. Today's Monday. Are we Monday today? Yeah. Oh, not bad volume. Monday, got one bar here. Okay, let's do a little Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Wow, okay, cool. Okay. If it continues on track, guys, this is the type of volume we want. That is twice the average. So right there, we'll have our check number 2. Mansfield increasing again after getting close to the zero line, going back up. That's where you want it. And that'll be our triple confirmation, guys. And you could call this a stage 2 continuation breakout. Stage 2, borderline stage 3. I'd say it's stage 3. Here you had it, yeah, stage 3, and then off we go. We're above the Ichimoku cloud. That's our check, our additional 4th check, and our 5th check is that monthly candle trend. Ichimoku cloud members for Stan says nearby overhead resistance. Well, this is support cloud under, so there's no overhead. Red cloud, we're safe. And he says make sure you're in line with the higher trend. Well, we have that on our monthly candle chart. All right, Pete, man, that was a nice one. He's a trader, guys. You're some of the best picks, man. They come from that screener. I don't know what the magic is behind there, but that algorithm is spot on to catch some Stan Weinstein candidates. I'm keeping this one on my radar. I'm going to wait for this week's end, see if the volume's there, and especially to see if the price close is going to end there. And we'll be close to that monthly candle also confirmation, man. Win, win, win. All right. Thanks, guys. See ya.